Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video we are going to be making this healthy, nutritious and delicious plantain smoothie bowl. So this is an amazing way to enjoy your regular plantains besides boiling, roasting or deep frying them. And let me tell you, when you have your plantains this way, you avoid the excess oil and you don't lose any of its nutrients. So if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video if you haven't done that already. For this recipe, we're going to be using half of this ripe plantain, and it's best to use a plantain that has just ripened. Plantains are rich in fiber and other important nutrients, and best of all, they taste great. We are also going to be using half of this medium-sized apple. Now, apples are also rich in fiber, vitamin C and other essential nutrients. They'll keep you feeling full and you'll get the most benefits when you eat them raw and unpeeled. Next, I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are also an excellent source of fiber. They keep you satisfied for longer and this can help with weight loss. They also contain small amounts of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. I'll also be using some honey, and this is 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is rich in antioxidant and can also ease off the symptoms of cold and flu. Here I have half a teaspoon of turmeric, which has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supports the immune system and can increase your energy levels. I'll also be using some granola, and this contains honey, almonds, flaxseed, and this is going to serve as our topping. You can also top with some extra chia seeds, some shredded coconuts, some chopped dates or some more nuts. Lastly, I have 2.5 tablespoons of old-fashioned oats. Now, oats are naturally rich and has lots of heart-healthy benefits, from helping to lower cholesterol to controlling blood sugar and weight loss control, among other things. I'll start by cutting my plantain into two. I'll be using 1/2 of it. Next, I'll peel and cut into smaller pieces. And for my apple, I'll just cut it into two. I'm also going to be using 1/2 of it. Next, I'll cut into smaller pieces. I'm going to be transferring everything into my blender, and I'll blend until it is almost smooth, but this is just my personal preference. You can also blend until it is really smooth. For my smoothie bowls, I always love a little bit of texture, but this is totally up to you. You can have it however you like it. Now, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And if you haven't already, hit the like button. Please take a moment to do that, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel with your notification bells on so you won't miss any of my amazing videos. Now it's time to blend. Don't you just love how this looks? I'm just going to loosen it up and transfer into a bowl. I hope you'll be trying this recipe out, and since plantains are available all year round, you can always enjoy this smoothie quite often. Now, this is what I call a healthy smoothie bowl, and you can see that plantains have many more uses other than just boiling, roasting or deep frying. They are really so versatile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. You can also check out some of my other videos. I'm sure you will learn a thing or two. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.